example number 1, how many grams of NaOH will be required to fully react with 3.10 grams of H2SO4? Since this is an unbalanced reaction, we first to balance it. Now we have a balanced equation. We can now proceed with step 1. Step 1. Convert non-reactant amount to moles. The given quantity in this problem is the mass of H2SO4. So now, we can convert the mass of H2SO4 to moles using the molecular weight. We can get the molecular weight by looking at the periodic table. Step 2. Use mole ratio to find moles of other reactant. The mole ratio between NaOH and H2SO4 is equal to 2 mole NaOH over 1 mole H2SO4. Now, we can use the ratio to convert moles of H2SO4 from step 1 to moles of NaOH. Also notice that we can write the mole ratio in two ways, and they would give different answers. However, only one ratio will allow the units of moles S2SO4 to cancel out properly. The important message here is always check your units. Step 3. Convert moles to mass. Now, we can convert the moles of NaOH from step 2 to mass in grams using the molecular weight of NaOH. We will need 2.53 NaOH to fully react with 3.10 of H2SO4 in this reaction. We could also combine all three steps into a single calculation in order to convert the mass of H2SO4 to mass of NaOH. We could solve the following expression. For our second example, how many moles of Hg will be produced from 34 grams of HgO? The formula for this is grams of HgO over molar mass of HgO is equal to moles of HgO. Therefore, 34 grams over 216.59 gram per mole is equal to 0.157 moles of HgO. The mole ratio of HgO over Hg in the reaction is 2 over 2. Therefore, X is equal to 0.157 moles of Hg.